Once the chicken's mainly cooked, add the garlic, but no, cook no more water. That's what I'm thinking.
Boil before you add the rice. You're going to add the rice.
No, I said add the rice, then bring it to a boil.
Look what you did.
You did it. How do I get the spoon? Oh, is it hot?
Scream.
Okay.
I just wipe my hands.
Okay. Yeah, that should be enough.
I got lunch tomorrow. I think we're gonna
More rice?
I mean, rice to chicken ratio right now. Oh, well, I guess the rice, not the rice.
Yeah, it's gotta expand. That's too much anymore. Oh,
Got lunch for tomorrow.
that should be good. We got half a pot full of stuff. Can you cook it already? Look like some soup right now. So it's starting to boil. Once it boils some more, we're gonna reduce it to simmer. Got the table and the nine-tail playing over here. This man need to wake up.
She caught me playing in the rain.
With a sword.